May I come in, sir?
Yes, come in.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning. Please be seated.
Thank you, sir.
You are Ashna.
Yes, sir.
Lovely name. What is the meaning of your name?
Sir, it is an Urdu origin word which means beloved or companion.
Okay, that's wonderful. So you have been preparing for the civil services ever since passing out from the college.
Yes, sir. Sir, in the meanwhile, I have also started pursuing my master's in international relations. I'm doing it from South Asian University.
Okay. So apart from preparation, you are also have started pursuing studies and all.
Yes,
I
sir.
find from your DAF that you have also been attached with an NGO, Vidya.
Yes, sir.
So this is for the education of children from vulnerable sections association. Tell us something about this NGO.
Sir, NGO Vidya was established in 1985, and since then it has impacted the life of approximately 4 lakh children. It is majorly focused on the education needs of the children from the vulnerable sections especially. Also, women as well as adult literacy also forms a part of the NGO, but I was mostly associated with the education of the children.
So you are doing such a wonderful job, Ashna. Then why do you want to join the civil services? They are very general in nature.
Sir, civil services also provide you an opportunity to serve the needs of the people, but through a different way. So I would also continue doing my works with the NGO. I would also continue serving the social needs of the people, but also would like to make a change by being in the administration or being a part of the administration.
But if you are a part of the administration, if you are in the IAS, you will hardly be getting any time to get involved with an NGO. It's a full-time job.
Yes, sir.
So you won't be able to strike a balance between the two. Anyways, so while working with NGO, according to you, what difficulties you see are faced by these children from vulnerable sections of society?
So there are various difficulties that are faced by these children. The foremost is the parental support to their educational needs. The parents are not very literate, so they are not able to support their children in their educational needs. One. Two, sir, the quality of teachers is also compromised greatly. I was working in a school in Panchsheel Park, which is one of the elite areas of Delhi, and even there, the teacher quality I found was not very appropriate. Sir, another problem facing these children is the hygiene issue and the quality of water they drink and the food that they eat. That also I found, because I